Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit tiramisu. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh mascarpone cheese, large eggs, and granulated sugar for the creamy filling. Don't forget strong, cooled coffee for dipping the biscuits, and of course, the Ladyfingers themselves. A touch of cocoa powder for dusting will complete our delicious dessert. Now, let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. Start by separating your egg yolks and whisking them with half of the sugar until they are light and fluffy. Then, gently fold in the mascarpone cheese until well combined. In a separate bowl, whip the egg whites with the remaining sugar until they form stiff peaks, then carefully fold them into your mascarpone mixture for an airy texture. With your cream ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring they don't become soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused biscuits at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread half of your delightful mascarpone cream evenly over this biscuit layer. Repeat the process with another layer of dipped biscuits and the remaining cream. Almost there. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu tightly with plastic wrap. It's crucial to refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, generously dust the top with cocoa powder. Then, slice and enjoy your perfectly crafted homemade biscuit tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.